Okay, this is lesson 101% markup. Okay, so if the selling price was $48 and, and the markup was 20% of the purchase price, what was the purchase price and what was the markup? So the selling price is going to equal whatever the purchase price is plus the markup. So we don't know what the purchase price is, but whatever it is, it's whatever, it's 100% of the original is what we would have. So that would be, we're just going to put it as PP, and then we would add the markup, which is 20%. So we're going to put 0.2, um, and that's point two of the purchase price. So they're the same variable. We know that the selling price is $48. Okay. So we add these two together because this one here represents 100%, right? So it's going to be 1.2 equals 48. And then we just divide. So we divide 48 by 1.2. Oops. Clear. So that's 40. So the purchase price is $40. So that means if the purchase price is $40, then the amount of the markup, how much more it costs from the purchase price, is $8 because the selling price was 48. Okay, let's try another one. The purchase price of an item was $1,800. So remember, it's this time we know the purchase price, but we don't know what the selling price is. So the purchase price of the item was $1,800. If the markup was 40% of the selling price, what is the selling price? So the selling price is going to be equal to the purchase price plus the markup again. Okay, we know that the purchase price was $1,800. And we know that the markup was 40% of the selling price. And we know that the selling price is, let's see here, purchase price, if the market was 6%, what is the selling price? We know that if the selling price is 40%, the markup is 40% of the selling price, the purchase price is $1,800, then we know that we know the selling price here, so we're going to subtract this from both sides, right? And this is a 1, so this is going to end up being 0.6 equal SP equals $1,800. All right, and then we're going to divide both sides by 0.6, and the selling price is going to be $3,000. Okay. All right. And then last one, got selling price equals purchase price plus markup. The sports car retailed for $10,368. That's the selling price. What is the purchase price if the car had been marked up 8%? So we've got purchase price plus the markup, which is 8%. Okay, add these two together. So that's 1.08. Divide both sides by that. Oops. Clear. 10,368 divided by 1.08 is $9,600. And that means that the markup is the difference between 10,368 and the 9,600. So $768 is the markup. Okay. All right. So I guess the most important thing is remembering that these variables have a one in front of them. So when you're moving them around in the equation, you're adding one here, even though you don't see the one. And in that previous problem that you had to move it to the other side to solve, so you're subtracting the zero point 0.4 from the one. So that's how they got 0.6 for the selling price. Okay, practice problem. The sedan retailed for 16,295. Okay. What was the purchase price if the car had been marked up 25% of the purchase price? So this is the selling price. We've got the purchase price plus 25% of the purchase price is the markup. So we're going to add those two together, and we're going to divide both sides by 1.25. And so that would be, oops, no, clear. Okay. 1.25, 16,295 divided by 1.25. So 13,036 is the purchase price, and then the markup is 16,295 minus 13,036 is $3,259 is the markup. Okay, you guys have a good day. Thanks.